Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Sienna windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This crucial step prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly and potentially damaging your glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the J-hook of the wiper arm. Once it's free, carefully remove it. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm firmly so it doesn't accidentally spring back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and carefully slide its connector onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push the blade upwards along the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Once both blades are attached, gently lower the wiper arms back down onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. You've successfully replaced your driver's side wiper. Now, simply repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper, and if your Sienna has a rear wiper, follow a similar procedure for that one too. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively. Remember to replace your blades every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.